Produce wrapped in plastic and shipped across the world has a big environmental impact, and supermarket vegetables lose up to half their nutrient content by the time they reach the shelves. The city life means most of us have neither the time nor the space to grow our own food. That's why we've decided to pack all this into this. Bottle Farm turns your rubbish into a beautiful indoor farm suited to modern life. Now you can grow all sorts of delicious, healthy produce at home, from herbs like basil and mint to leafy greens like lettuce and rocket, even tomatoes and chilies. It works using soilless hydroponic technology, which allows the plants to grow fast and without regular watering. It's designed with two orientations, so it can hang or sit anywhere you have space. These stands hold the bottle in place. If it's going on a window, slot in the suction pads. The grow baskets are designed to hold the shape of any bottle and provide a home for these grow pods. Made from sustainable ground coconut husks, this is where the seeds take root. Powdered plant fuel provides all the micronutrients needed for quick and healthy growth. The grow clips give your taller plants extra support as they grow. Pick between a range of grow packs when you're ready to grow again. In the UK alone, 15 million plastic bottles get thrown away every day. Bottle Farm gives them a new life. It's made from over 95% recycled material. We're a small group of physicists and designers, and we've been hard at work developing prototypes, then testing, breaking and redesigning. We've been through many iterations and arrived at a product that's both functional and attractive.
We've partnered with experienced UK manufacturers and taken time to develop a production process which is sustainability focused. We're also committing to offset 100% of our carbon footprint. With your support, we're ready to bring Bottle Farm to life.